When writing a business letter or when emailing a business contact who we don't know well, we tend to use more formal English. Today, you'll learn how to transform casual conversational English into more formal business English. Informal. I want to talk to you about the project. More formal. I would like to discuss the project with you. I would like is a more polite way to express what you want. Discuss is a more formal way to say talk about. Note that we don't use about after discuss. Also, note the prepositions. You can talk to someone about something, but you discuss something with someone. Informal. I'll get in touch soon. More formal. I will contact you shortly. In more formal business communication, we avoid contractions, short forms, like I'll, so that's why it is changed to I will. Get in touch is an informal way to say contact. The word soon is also okay to use in business English, but shortly is another alternative that makes it sound a little more formal. Informal. You need to send in your application by June 30th. More formal. It is necessary to submit your application by June 30th. It is necessary is a more formal or indirect way to talk about needs and requirements, and submit is a more formal way to say send in. Informal. Sorry it's taking forever. More formal. We apologize for the delay. It's common to use sorry in conversational English, but in more formal business communication, use we apologize if you are speaking on behalf of a group or company, or I apologize if you are speaking for yourself. It's taking forever is an informal way to exaggerate the length of the wait, essentially saying it is taking a very long time. But in business English, the word delay is a better choice. Informal. I promise to fix the problem right away. More formal. I assure you that I will resolve the issue as soon as possible. I assure you is a more formal way to promise things. Describing a problem as an issue helps minimize the negative connotations associated with the word problem, and resolve or solve can be used as a more formal word for fix. Right away means now or in the very near future. In business English, it's better to say as soon as possible or immediately. Informal. Don't forget that you need to pay us by Friday. More formal. We would like to remind you that payment is due by Friday. In everyday English, we tell people don't forget, but in business English, we would like to remind you is a more polite way to help someone remember something. If something is due on or before a certain date, it means it must be finished or completed before that time. Informal. Also, please give us a list of your products. More formal. In addition, please provide us with a list of your products. When speaking informally, it's common to start a sentence with also, plus, or and to add information. In more formal business English, in addition sounds better. Provide is a little more formal than the common verb give. Note the prepositions. Someone gives you something, but someone provides you with something. Informal. See you later. More formal. I look forward to seeing you. When you are anticipating seeing someone in the future, say, see you later, informally to friends. In business communication, it's better to say, I look forward to seeing you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.